तो आज के लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे NIST क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग रेफरेंस आर्किटेक्चर मीन्स नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी। NIST इज अ फुल फॉर्म। इस लेक्चर को हमने पिछले लेक्चर में भी देखा था, पिछले वीडियो में भी हमने ये पढ़ा था NIST। लेकिन कुछ उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, लाइक जब पूरा फिगर आप लोग को क्लियर नहीं समझ में आ रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको एक पेपर पे ड्रॉ करके जिस लेके आया जाए ताकि आप लोग को सारी क्लियरिटी समझ में आए। तो जैसा कि पिछले लेक्चर में बताया था कि NIST मीन्स नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ने जो रेफरेंस आर्किटेक्चर दिया है क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का, दैट हैव 5 मेजर एक्टर्स एंड दीज मेजर एक्टर्स आर like as a cloud carrier, cloud consumer, cloud provider and cloud broker. So these are the 5 measures actors. So with the help of these actors like as a cloud consumer, cloud auditor, cloud carrier, cloud provider and cloud broker, we can easily understand the NIST model. So इसमें देखते हैं कि cloud auditor basically involve security audit, privacy impact audit, performance audit. And the cloud provider contain basically 4 sub actors, and these are service orchestra. So these are the service layer. First is a service layer in which it involves software as a services, platform as a services and information as a services. And in service layer, another is a resource abstraction and control layer. Then have a physical resource layer in which we provide the support of hardware and another facilities. Again, cloud provider contain another sub-actors, that is a cloud management or cloud service management, that consists business support, provisioning, configuration and portability. And cloud provider contain third and fourth sub-actors like as security and privacy. Next is a cloud broker, which contain 3 services. First one is a service intermediations, second one is a service aggregations, and third one is a service arbitrage. So each actor is an entity. Each actor, like as a carrier or auditor or consumer, provider or broker, is an entity, means a person or any organizations. And these actors participate in a transaction or a process and perform tasks in cloud computing. Now, what is the meaning of cloud consumer? What is the meaning of cloud auditor? Means each and individual actors or each and individual entities, what they are perform is, first one is a cloud consumer. So cloud consumer is a person or organization that maintain a business relationship with user service from cloud provider. Second one is a cloud provider. So a person, organization or entity responsible for making a services available to interested parties. Third one is a cloud auditor. So cloud auditor is a parties that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, information system, operation, performance, and security of the cloud implementation. So next one is a cloud broker. So cloud broker is an entity that manages the use, performance, and the delivery of cloud services and negotiate relationship between the cloud provider and the cloud consumer. And last one is a cloud carrier. So cloud carrier is an intermediary that provides the connectivity and transport of the cloud service from cloud providers to cloud consumer. So these are the definition of each actor which are involved in the NIST cloud computing reference architecture. Now we see how one actor can interact with another actor, means a cloud consumer, how a cloud consumer can interact with the cloud provider or cloud auditor or cloud broker. So in this figure, in the given figure, figure number 2, it is shown how interaction between the actor in the cloud computing. So if you assume that a cloud consumer may request a service from a cloud provider, a cloud consumer make a request from the service from cloud provider directly or via cloud broker. Means cloud consumer can communicate with the cloud provider directly or through cloud broker. So a cloud auditor, this one, a cloud auditor conduct independent audit and may contact the other to collect necessary information. So with this figure, we can easily understand how a cloud consumer can interact with the cloud provider. Now these are scenario can be understood with the three cases. In example 1 or in scenario 1, we see a cloud consumer may request service from the cloud provider. A cloud consumer may request service from a cloud broker instead of contacting a cloud provider directly this way. So the cloud broker may create a new service, but by combining multiple services or by enhancing an existing services. And in this example, the actual cloud provider are invisible. These are invisible to the cloud consumer, and the cloud consumer interact directly with the cloud broker. So this one is the scenario 1. Now in scenario 2, a cloud carrier provide the connectivity and the transport of cloud service from cloud provider to the cloud consumer. And in this given figure, an arrangement of two unique services, that is a SLA1 and SLA2. So SLA is a service level agreement, and one service level agreement with the cloud carrier and another for the cloud consumer. So cloud consumer contain SLA1 service and cloud carrier contain SLA2 service. A cloud provider arranges service level agreement, means SLA, with a cloud carrier and may request dedicate and encrypted connection to ensure the cloud service are consumed at a consistent level according to the contractual obligations with the cloud consumer. And in this case, the provider may specify its requirement on capability, flexibility, and functionality in service layer 2 in order to provide essential requirement in SLA1. So there are two service level agreement, one between cloud consumer and cloud provider, and second one is between cloud provider to cloud carrier. So this one is the scenario 2. And in scenario 3, for a cloud service, a cloud auditor, with this one, a cloud auditor conduct independent assessment of the operation and security of the cloud service implementation. And the audit may involve interaction between both the cloud consumer and the cloud provider. So with the help of these three scenarios, we can easily understand how an interaction can be done within the each individual entities or within the each individual actors. So this one is the whole scenario regarding to the NIST means National Institute of Standard and Technology, Cloud Computation or Cloud Computing Reference Architecture.